Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage the course navigation links inside of your courses. We're particularly interested in hiding conferences from students as our college is no longer going to support Canvas conferences, also known as Big Blue Button, our video conferencing, one of our video conferencing softwares. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to go into any course that you're a teacher in and click on the course settings. And then you'd want to make sure you navigate to the navigation tab here. All the items in the top list is what students can see, and everything at the bottom is what students can't see. So what you want to do is click on what you don't want them to see. Just click and drag it, hold and drag until it gets to the bottom of the list, and then scroll to the bottom of your page and don't forget to hit save. Otherwise your changes won't be made. Super simple. Now conferences is no longer able to be seen. It's still in your list where you can see it as an instructor, but you'll notice that the message says that it's not visible to students. For an extra layer of security, you can always go over to the student view and get a hint of what students see inside of your course navigation. And that is how you manage any navigation button inside of your course, but particularly we're asking you to remove Canvas conferences from student view in each of your courses. Thanks for watching.